So guys, we're here at one of Bangkok's latest addition to its shopping malls. Join me guys as we explore what's inside. I'm really excited. Let's go! Guys, we're here at the new mall here in Bangkok. It's called One Bangkok. And tignan natin kung ano yung makikita dito sa new mall na to. So guys, may blue elephant. May blue elephant sila guys. Amazing. The Skechers, Levi's, Crocs, of course, Owndays. Ang ganda. Bagong-bago guys. Malapit lang siya sa Andaz Hotel. Tignan natin. Alam ko, kaka-open lang ito late 2024. So, tignan natin kung bukas na lahat ng stores and kung ano pa yung mga makikita natin dito. Let's go! New Balance. Alam nyo, pagpasok namin kanina, may maganda doon na store. Parang Benlay yung pangalan. I really like it. They have Shake Shack, guys. Parang dito yung food court nila sa 6th floor. I'm sure meron din yun sa ground floor, guys, eh. Etong floor na to sa 5th floor, parang dito yung sa mga pambata. So guys, nandito tayo sa basement 1. Tingnan natin kung ano yung meron dito sa basement 1. Andito yung mga food. They have breads, guys, here. Let's go to the other side. Balik tayo, guys. So they have Starbucks here. Muji here, guys. Okay, now I get it. It looks like ito yung parang Japanese ano nila. So they have here Muji, and then they also have Nitori and Yakiniku like, which is very like Japan. Tama. Parang Japan nga ito, guys. I miss Yakiniku like. Muji over here, guys. Muji standard. Nitori. Hindi tayo papasok guys ha. Inikot lang natin. And then let's go up. Let's go up now. We're at the ground floor. Oh, they have this local perfumery. We have Bath and Body, American Eagle, like a very big American Eagle store here. They have a shop here called Rituals.
Hi, baby.
Let's go outside. Labas tayo guys, tignan natin kung ano yung meron sa labas. Oh, they have brew coffee. Labas tayo guys. Guys, tinanong natin si Kuya kanina. Tinanong natin kung connected ba to sa isang MRT station. Connected daw to sa BTS Plansheet Station. Eh, yung Plansheet, guys, one station away from Chitlom. So, tingnan natin kung paano tayo makakauwi nang hindi na tayo mag-grab. Actually, kanina parang 1.8 kilometers na siya from the hotel. Eh. So, kayang lakarin. Kaya lang kasama ko yung anak ko and yung mother ko. This is the size that I like. It's 10,950. Guys, eto lang talaga yung pinuntahan ko dito. Is Ben Lai store. Let's go! Very nice. Like soft neoprene. Guys, ang ganda. I wanna get one. Let's try one. I'm gonna get this. And then, guys, ang ganda ng mga quality. Let's try it. Actually, ito yung gusto ko dito, guys. This one, wala ako nito. But I feel like that's not my color. Feeling ko dito ako sa black. I'm gonna try this black one. Look this one. Guys, ang dami. Pati hoodie. Ang ganda. I wanna try this. Diyos ko, guys. Super. Ang ganda. Sobrang daming maganda. I wanna get this. I'll try this. Ang ganda. Like it can elevate any clothes. Diyos ko guys, ang daming maganda. Yung mga tela niya napakaganda. Ang ganda. Guys, super ganda dito. Guys, China brand pala to. And super comfy. Super comfy, guys. Let's see. Kuha tayo nito. Let's try this one. I don't have a shade like this, guys. What I like, guys, is they're size inclusive. They have XXL. So, kasha kahit malalaki. They have also great selections ng mga bags and cardigans. Mga bags, guys. Dami din. Sobrang daming magaganda. Ah, this is also nice. Skirts. Guys, ang ganda ng mga ano niya dito. Magaganda talaga. Yung mga skirts nila, sobra. Pati yung tela guys, makapal pero sobrang lambot. May lining, well made. Really well made. Ang ganda ng mga damit dito. May mga design kasi siya eh. Ang ganda. I swear guys, ang ganda. Eto, gusto ko talaga to. Really like it because I can wear it casual. Andito tayo sa harap ng Benlay. Bumalik ako guys kasi nung last punta namin here with my son, hindi kami nakapasok, hindi ako nakapamili. Kasi nag-Harborland siya. And syempre, binantayan namin sa Harborland. Yung ticket kasi sa Harborland is good for 3 hours. Hindi naman na complete usually, parang 1 hour there. So, binantayan namin, hindi kami nakaikot. And after kasi nung Harborland, gusto na nilang bumalik sa hotel. So, we were not able to like go around and check out the pieces here in Benlay. But today, bumalik kami and guys, ang dami kong nabili. Makikita niyo yan sa vlog na ang dami kong napili na pieces. Kasi first time ko makakita ng mga ganong styles. I don't usually find that in mga Uniqlo or ano. Tsaka gusto ko yung tela kasi maganda yung tela, quality. Mukhang very sturdy. Tapos yung design, that's what I really like. And the colors also were very nice. So, pakita ko sa inyo guys what I got from Benlay. I got this bag. Kasi gusto ko na para mga nylon, like lightweight bags. And then I also got, like, I think one skirt. Tapos isang pants. And then, I got parang 2 na dresses, diba? Let's see. Hindi ko alam kung ilan na nabili ko. Parang 2 pants. And 2 dresses. That's it. So, we're back here in Yakiniku. Bye! I'm gonna end the vlog here guys. I hope you enjoyed this vlog where I showed you what's new in Bangkok. Puntahan nyo ang One Bangkok for the food and your kids will love Harborland. Kayo naman, feeling ko you will enjoy shopping in Benlay. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. God bless everyone and bye.